Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to follow a story about a clothing store. In this video, you will spend a day with Anna. Anna works at a small clothing store, and she will show you what her day at work looks like. You will see how she prepares the store in the morning and how she helps a customer choose a shirt. Don't worry, the English in this story is slow, simple, and easy to understand. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer. Here is today's question. What color shirt did Sam choose in the end? The answer is mentioned in the story. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can practice your English and improve your skills. All right, are you ready? Let's start the story and spend the day at the clothing store with Anna.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my video. My name is Anna. I work at a clothing store. A clothing store is a shop that sells clothes. This is my store, right here. It is a small store on a quiet street, but many people come here to shop. I love this place very much. I come here every morning. I walk to the store from my house. It takes about 15 minutes. I open the store every day from Monday to Saturday. Sunday is my day off. Today is Wednesday, and the weather is nice. The sun is shining and the sky is blue. I think many customers will come today. Today, I will show you my day at work. You will see what I do from morning to evening. I think it will be interesting and fun. Are you ready? I am ready. Okay, let me open the door now. Here is my key. I use this key every morning to open the store. And the door is open now. I can already smell the new clothes inside. Great! Let's go inside together. Come on, follow me. Okay, here we are inside the store. This is where I work every day. It is still early in the morning. We open at 10 in the morning. It is 8:30 right now, so I have about 1.5 hours to get ready. I prepare the store every morning before customers come. There are many things to do. First, I turn on the lights. There we go. Now the store looks bright and warm. Next, I need to check the clothes. We sell many kinds of clothes here. We have shirts, pants, jackets, and dresses. Let me look at the shirts on this table. Some of them are not folded well. I fold them nicely, one by one. Then I put them in order by size. Small goes on the left, medium goes in the middle, and large goes on the right. That looks much better now. Now, let me check the hangers over here. We have many shirts and jackets on these hangers. Some of them are not hanging straight. I fix them like this, one at a time. I always make sure every hanger looks neat and tidy. It takes a little time, but it is worth it. Oh, look at this mannequin over here. A mannequin is a model that wears clothes in a store. This mannequin is wearing a blue jacket today, but the jacket is a little crooked. Let me fix it quickly. There, now it looks perfect. Customers like to see how clothes look on a mannequin. It helps them imagine how the clothes will look on them. I also need to clean the floor and the tables. I want the store to look clean and nice for everyone. A clean store makes customers feel welcome and happy. I do all of this every single morning. Okay, it is almost 10 o'clock now. I can see someone walking outside. Maybe they will be our first customer today. Everything looks great. The store is ready to welcome customers. Let's open the store. Hello. Welcome to our store.
Hi there. Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. Is this your first time at our store?
Yes, this is my first time here. A friend of mine told me about this place. He said you have nice clothes here.
Oh, that is so nice to hear. Thank you. I'm glad you came today. Please take your time and look around. We have a lot of nice things in the store today. Can I help you find something?
Yes, please. I am looking for a shirt.
Sure. What kind of shirt are you looking for?
Something casual and simple. Something comfortable that I can wear every day. I don't need anything fancy, just something nice and easy to wear.
I understand. That sounds nice. Do you usually wear t-shirts or button-down shirts? A button-down shirt is a shirt with buttons in the front.
I wear t-shirts a lot, but today I want a button-down shirt. I want something a little nicer than a t-shirt.
Great idea. A button-down shirt is perfect for that. We have many button-down shirts in our store. Let me show you where they are. They are right over here. Follow me.
Oh, these are really nice. There are so many to choose from. I like the feel of this fabric.
Yes, these shirts are very popular with our customers. They are made of soft cotton, so they feel great. We have them in many colors too: white, blue, green, gray, and more.
I really like this white one here.
The white one is a great choice. White goes with almost everything. You can wear it with jeans or with nice pants. It is a great shirt for work or for going out with friends.
That is exactly what I want.
What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear a medium.
Okay, here is a medium in white. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, I would like to try it on. Where is the fitting room?
The fitting room is right over there. Come with me. I will show you.
Thank you. You are very kind and helpful.
Thank you. That makes me happy. Here is the fitting room. You can change in here. You can take your time. There is no rush.
Thank you. I will try it on now. Okay, I'm done. How does it look?
Oh, it looks very nice on you. It really suits you.
Really? I'm glad to hear that.
How is the size? Does it fit well?
Yes, I think so. It is not too big and not too small. It fits just right.
That's wonderful. A good fit is very important. How does it feel? Is it comfortable?
Yes, it feels very comfortable. The fabric is really soft. I can move my arms easily.
I'm so glad to hear that. That cotton fabric is one of the best we have. It also washes very well. It stays soft even after many washes.
I can tell. It feels really nice on my skin. I really like this shirt, but I have a question for you.
Of course. What is your question?
Do you have this same shirt in other colors?
Yes, we do. We have this shirt in 3 other colors. We have it in blue, green, and gray.
Oh, that's great. Can I see the blue one, please?
Of course. Let me get it for you right away. Here you go. This is the blue one in medium.
Oh, this is a really nice color. I like this blue. It is a soft, light blue.
Yes, it is a very popular color. It is easy to wear with many different pants. Many of our customers choose this color.
I can see why. It is a beautiful color. Let me try this one on too.
Sure, go ahead. I will wait right here. Okay, what do you think about this one? Oh, it looks amazing. The blue color really suits you.
Thank you so much. Now I have a problem. I like both colors. The white one is nice, and the blue one is also nice.
That is a good problem to have. Both colors look wonderful on you. But if I had to choose, I would say the blue. The blue really makes your eyes stand out, and it is a very easy color to wear in any season.
You know what? I agree with you. I will go with the blue one. Blue is actually my favorite color.
Then it is perfect for you. Let me fold the white one and put it back.
Okay, thank you for showing me both. Okay, I will take the blue shirt.
Wonderful. Great choice. Let me take you to the register. The register is right over here.
Okay, great.
So, let me check. 1 blue button-down shirt in size medium.
Yes, that is correct.
This shirt is $40.
$40. That sounds good. That is a fair price for such a nice shirt.
I think so too. It is really good quality. Would you like a bag for your shirt?
Yes, please. A bag would be nice.
Of course. I will put it in a bag for you. How would you like to pay today? We accept both cash and card.
I will pay by card, please.
Sure. You can tap your card right here.
Like this?
Yes, just like that. Perfect. Okay, the payment is done. Everything is all set. That was quick and easy. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
And here is your shirt in the bag. I also put the receipt inside the bag for you.
Oh, thank you. That is very thoughtful. Thank you so much for all your help today.
You're very welcome. It was my pleasure. I hope you enjoy wearing your new shirt. I think you will get many compliments.
I'm sure I will. I really love it already. This is a really nice store, by the way. The clothes are great, and the service is wonderful. I'm happy I came here today.
Thank you so much. That really means a lot to me.
I will definitely come back again soon. Maybe I will get the white shirt next time.
That would be great. I would love that. Please come back anytime. We get new clothes every month.
Oh, that is good to know. I will check back next month.
Sounds great. Have a wonderful day, Sam.
Thank you. You too, Anna. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you again soon. And that is it for today. The store is closed now. It is 6 o'clock in the evening. What a wonderful day it was. Today was a really nice day. We had many customers today. Some people came to buy shirts, some came to buy jackets, and some people just came to look around. That is okay too. Everyone is welcome here. I helped a nice customer named Sam find a blue shirt today. He tried on a white shirt and a blue shirt. In the end, he chose the blue one. He was very happy with his choice, and that made me happy too. I love moments like that. Helping people find clothes they like is the best part of my job. When a customer smiles, it makes my whole day better. Now I need to close the store for the night. I put all the clothes back in order. I fold the shirts on the tables. I fix the hangers one more time. I check the register and count the money. Everything looks good today. And then I turn off all the lights. Finally, I lock the door with my key, the same key I used this morning. I do this every evening before I go home. Working at a clothing store is really fun. Some people think it is just selling clothes, but it is much more than that. It is about making people happy. Every day is a little bit different. I meet new people every single day. I get to talk about clothes, colors, and sizes, and I help people feel good about what they wear. That is what a good clothing store is all about. I really enjoy this job very much. Thank you so much for spending the day with me today. I hope you had a good time watching my day. I had a great time showing you around, and I hope you learned some new English words too. Thank you for visiting our store today. I hope to see you again very soon. Take care, everyone. Have a wonderful evening. Goodbye.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed spending the day at the clothing store with Anna. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What color shirt did Sam choose in the end? Did you find the answer? If you got the answer, please write it in the comments section. Writing your answer in English is a great way to practice speaking. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories to help you learn English step by step. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Your support helps this channel grow and allows me to keep making new videos. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.